This is in part a leadership training, and I want to just talk a little bit about that and how this might apply. So how many of you have downline here? Just raise your hands quickly. Okay, it's about maybe a third of the room. So you have special position and a special opportunity here to be leaders. And leadership is not something we can actually teach. I mean, we can talk about leadership, we can point at it, we can acknowledge leadership, and we can invite and actually invoke leadership, and we do that regularly. Leadership in this context probably looks like a couple of things. One is support. One is, as a leader, we're here to be available to our team and crossline, but to be available as perhaps more experienced in some cases, more successful in some cases. But I want to talk about a different kind of leadership, and that's leadership through action. And that's something all of us exhibit, whether you have downline here or not, but especially if you do. And that is that in an intimate space like this with a small group, we're all very aware of what the others are doing, right? So leadership in this case looks like doing, in part, and that's an important component. So, for example, Sarah, you doing your goals, you clearly stating your goals, you going for it, you either accomplishing or not, but your actions toward that is what will be observed. It's what will be observed. If and this is not for you or any particular person, but if we're slack with that or we're not focused, that's the modeling we're giving off. And I'm not suggesting anybody would do that. I'm just saying, as leaders, and it's not just people who have downline here, it's all of us, because we're all leading the group. As leaders, it's incumbent upon us to act in the highest standards and with the highest quality in what we do, because it will be observed and it will be felt, and the impact will be, may not always be obvious, but it will be there. There's no question about it. So I just wanted to insert that element. We can talk more about leadership a little bit later, but thanks for bringing that in.